What if I told you there are people getting paid every single month without working, without trading, without checking charts every day? They wake up, check their phone, and see money deposited into their account. Not from a job, not from a business, but from owning stocks. This is called dividend income. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how much money you actually need, the biggest mistakes beginners make, and how you can realistically build income over time. Because the truth is, dividend investing is simple, but most people still do it wrong. Let's be clear about something first. Dividend investing is not a get-rich-quick strategy. You won't turn $100 into $10 overnight. But what it can do is something far more powerful. It can build income that pays you for life. And once you understand this, you'll never look at money the same way again. What are dividends? Let's start simple. A dividend is a portion of a company's profits paid to shareholders. When you own a stock, you own a piece of that company. And some companies share their profits with you. For example, if a company earns billions, they may decide to pay investors a portion every quarter. So if you own shares, you get paid. No work required. Example, you buy 100 shares of a company. They pay $1 per share annually. That means you earn $100 per year. Simple. But here's where it gets interesting. Some companies pay monthly, quarterly, annually, and some increase dividends every year. This is where wealth starts compounding. How people actually make money. There are 3 ways to make money from dividend stocks. 1. Dividend income. This is the obvious one. You get paid regularly, like a salary, but from investments. 2. Stock growth.
Good companies don't just pay dividends, they grow, so your stock value increases over time. 3. Reinvestment. The secret. This is where real wealth is built. Instead of spending your dividends, you reinvest them. Buy more shares, which pay more dividends, which buy more shares. This creates a snowball effect. How much money you need? Let's be real. This is the question everyone wants answered. How much money do I need to live off dividends? Let's break it down. If a stock pays 4% annually, that means $1,000, $40 per year. $10,000, $400 per year. $100,000, $4,000 per year. Now, think about this. If you want $40,000 per year, you need about
$1 million invested at 4%. This is where people get discouraged, but they shouldn't, because you don't start with $1 million. You build toward it. The beginner strategy. Let's say you start with $100 per month. That's it. No big capital, no shortcuts. If you invest $100 per month at an average return of 8%, over time, 10 years equals $18,000. 20 years equals $60,000. 30 years equals $150,000 plus. Now add dividends and reinvest them. That number grows even faster. The key here is consistency, not timing.
Not luck, consistency. Best types of dividend stocks. Not all dividend stocks are equal. You need to focus on 1. Blue chip stocks. Big, stable companies. Reliable payouts. 2. Dividend aristocrats. Companies that increase dividends every year. These are powerful for long-term growth. 3. REITs, real estate stocks. Often pay higher dividends. Good for income. But be careful. High dividends don't always mean safe. Biggest mistakes. Most beginners fail because of this. Mistake 1. Chasing high yields. If something pays 12%, there's usually a risk. Mistake 2. No diversification. Putting everything in one stock. Dangerous. Mistake 3. Spending dividends too early. This kills compounding. Mistake 4. Quitting too soon. This strategy rewards patience. Realistic expectations. Dividend investing is slow, but powerful. Year 1 feels small. Year 5
noticeable. Year 10, meaningful. Year 20, life-changing. This is not about getting rich fast. This is about getting paid forever. So here's the truth. Dividend investing won't impress people quickly. It won't go viral overnight. It won't make you look rich tomorrow. But one day, you'll wake up and realize your money is working harder than you ever did. And that's when everything changes. If you want to understand money on a deeper level, subscribe to
Wealth Drift. Because here, we don't chase hype. We build real wealth.